Hi guys, today for language, you guys are going to be completing a worksheet called More Irregular Verbs, okay? And then on the back is contractions with not, okay? So for more irregular verbs, remember that an irregular verb does not follow the basic rules. Okay, so for instance, if you have the verb eat, okay, it will become ate in past tense or eaten. Okay, grow can become grown or grew. Okay, so these are some examples of irregular verbs because they don't follow the basic rules. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is for the first part, you're going to complete each sentence. You're going to write the correct form of the irregular verb in parentheses. So for example, okay, for 1 through 11, you're going to write the correct verb. So for the first one, Aunt Celia blank me a camera. So is it going to be gave or given? So you have to think about that, okay? Sorry. So you have to put each word into the sentence to see if it makes sense. So I could say Aunt Celia given me a camera, or Aunt Celia gave me a camera. Well, the correct verb that makes sense would be gave. Aunt Celia gave me a camera, okay? Then the next example, I have blank many pictures. Is it I have took many pictures or I have taken many pictures? Well, have, this is a helping verb, and it is a clue, okay, which is past tense. So I have taken many pictures would make more sense. So this is what you guys are going to do for problems 1 through 11 on the front. Remember that special forms of the verbs eat, give, grow, know, take, and write to show your past tense verbs, okay? On the back, we are going to do contractions with the word not, okay? And this will be for problems 1 through 12, okay? So you have the word shouldn't. Shouldn't is formed with the two words should and not, okay? The apostrophe takes the place of the O in the word not, okay? Then you have isn't. Isn't is formed with the two words is and not. So the apostrophe takes the place of the O and not, okay? So for the first example, we have, we shouldn't be afraid, okay? And you have should not, okay? I had already wrote it for you guys so you would know what it was, okay? And then this one is a little bit tricky because it doesn't follow the same rules as the other contractions, okay? So this is complaining blank help. And your two words is will not. Well, you can't say complaining wilt help because that doesn't make sense, okay? So the two words will not actually change into won't. Complaining won't help. That sounds a lot better, okay? So remember that contractions are basically two words, okay, that are made into one word. And an apostrophe takes the place of the missing letter or letters. Okay, so in a contraction, the word not becomes N apostrophe T. Okay, now remember that some words like will and not, okay, they don't have the basic rules that the other contractions. So will not becomes won't. Okay, so I want you guys to complete 1 through 11 for more irregular verbs. All you're going to do is you're going to finish the sentence. So you're going to write the correct form of the irregular verb that is in parentheses next to the sentence. So you're going to write it on the line, okay? On the back for contractions with not, you guys are going to do the same thing. You're going to finish the sentence and you're going to write the contraction of the words or words in parentheses, okay? So the first one, we blank be afraid. So in parentheses, it says should not. So we shouldn't be afraid, okay? So you would write shouldn't on the word. So you're going to do on the line, sorry. So you're going to do that for problems 1 through 12. If you guys have any questions or concerns with this, please feel free to email me. Thanks.